You're on mute, Sonia. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good evening.
You don't know.
How are
Good
you?
evening. You don't realize you're on mute?
Sorry.
You didn't realize you're on mute?
Yeah, I
Didn't
knew.
you? Okay. Okay.
I was trying to connect my Bluetooth device.
Still trying? Should I wait?
No. I can't find.
Bluetooth?
There is some
You can't
problem
find
in
Bluetooth?
pairing.
Okay. So if you want, we'll take a minute. Huh? Switch off the Bluetooth, switch it on. Check then.
Sorry.
Switch off the Bluetooth and switch it on. No problem, Sonia. We'll work like this.
Okay.
Do you know what are the topics which we have for today?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'll tell you what the topic's name is. It is Save One or Many Lives as a Pilot. So when I am coming across this topic for the first time,
Okay.
I don't know what exactly it is. I'll tell you what it is and then I'll read it. A pilot is flying a plane. This pilot is also a doctor. Very talented pilot we have. A passenger has a fatal medical issue on the plane and needs immediate medical attention to survive. There is no autopilot feature on the plane. It is a small plane and has only one single pilot. You have to assume you are the pilot. So, what will you do? Will you leave the cockpit to save this single passenger, but also risk possibly, but not definitely, the lives of all the other passengers? Or do you keep flying the plane and protect all the passengers, but let that one passenger die definitely in pain and suffering on your plane when you could have saved them? You understand the situation, or it's too complicated?
Yeah.
What will you do, Sonia?
There is no third option. There has to be something.
To be honest, there is a way which I can think of, but I want you first to say.
What about emergency landing?
Where will you land the plane? As per the situation, the plane is flying.
Nearby airport.
By the time the patient might die.
So I don't know how to fly airplane. Like we drive a car. It's
But
not like that, I think.
you have to assume you know how to fly the plane, no?
So I feel it's not like we drive a car or something. We can't skip the driving seat.
You can't
But I
skip the
think,
driving through.
is it the same like we drive a car? Like we can't leave the handle?
I think you can.
In plane we can, right?
But when you are driving, if you leave the steering even for 2 seconds, then
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. It's not like we drive a car, I think.
uh,
Wow. Sorry. And there is one more thing. I can explain someone that how can they help him, the person he's ill. So they can listen to us, or then they can try something.
same thing in my mind. In my mind, it was slightly different. My mind was you will let someone fly the plane, give him instructions while you tend the patient. Because I thought flying the plane would be slightly
Flying the
easier.
plane, it will be more dangerous, I think.
But see, the
So
plane is
it's
in the plane in the plane in the
if
sky.
he if he does any
But you have time
mistake
to
or
run back, na? You have time to run back and they handle it, na?
yeah. So you are gonna risk more lives.
You'll have to do something, na? There are
Yeah,
many things you
okay.
can do. One is you get the person as close to the cockpit as possible. And
Yeah.
with, for example, if I am the doctor, I'm the pilot, you are the
Air
there's
hostess
someone
and
you're the aerosteward, and say any name, give me any name.
I think they they gives good instructions to air hostess how to
They
handle
gives nahi, they
passengers.
give.
They give, okay, they give. Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. They have training for emergency situations, so they can handle that situation too.
Yes. In fact, on flights, there have been instances when pilots have even administered CPR. So pilots administer CPR also.
Okay, and there is oxygen also, and
Oxygen is
all the
secondary,
staff knows how to
but
give.
also it's a small plane, no? And we're not taking that also. It's a small plane.
Then we can land it somewhere
Where?
nearby
Highway.
airports.
Highway.
Yeah, can we?
I don't know. See, it's a hypothetical situation. You can think
So
about
we
it.
can.
See, I'll tell you one thing. What I realized when it comes to hypothetical situation, now you either work with what you have or you use your imagination and do everything which you want to do. Either you can do.
Even if I am a doctor, if the person is very critical,
Hmm.
so we need full accessories of,
Accessories?
sorry, equipments of
Equip-
equipment. So we if and I have no equipments in plane, so I can help only by
Using the first aid kit, I think so.
so we can instruct anyone how to do
Uh,
that. So this is, I
uh,
think, a safe way.
I am completely with you on this.
Yeah.
I'm completely with you on this. Okay. The first two questions, out of these two options, which one would you have chosen? Is what you was being asked, but we given to the third option, so we are done with this. So, um, all the questions are based on only those two options. As soon as you pick up a third option, now all the questions which are present in the topic go out of the window.
Okay, make your own questions.
Are you following the IPL?
uh, Not much, but
Okay.
yeah, my dad and my brother,
They watch.
mm, yeah. So he told me that what Rinku Singh,
Rinku Sharma. Rinku
Rinku
Singh. Rinku
Sharma,
Singh.
it's Singh or
Yes,
Sharma,
yes,
I
yes,
don't
yes.
know.
Rinku Singh. Rinku Singh.
Yeah, he played very nice.
Very nice is understatement.
Okay, brilliant.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliantly he played.
Yeah,
So I'll tell you.
5 sixes in 5 balls.
Yes.
In last 5 balls.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
So I'll tell you what happened. They needed around 28 some runs to win. 20, 29 runs to win they needed in the last year. I'll check and tell you it.
He's in KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, right?
In the last over, 29 runs were needed. 29 runs were
29.
needed. Yes. And by the way, the way they were playing now, Kolkata Knight Riders, I thought they will lose because they needed a lot of runs and they had very less balls. So by the 18th over, I stopped following the match. I was not watching, but following the match. I stopped following the match, and I started doing something else. Then after a point of time, I just refreshed. I wanted to check by how many runs they lost. So I saw they won the match. Then I saw highlights. And the last over, he hit five
Oh, you
sixes and
missed.
5 balls.
Yeah.
And missed it.
Yeah.
But he played superb, absolutely superb. He played.
Yeah. And I asked my dad that Yuvraj Singh did the same.
Yuvraj
So he
Singh hit
said,
six sixes in 6 balls.
sorry?
Yuvraj Singh hit six sixes in 6 balls.
Yeah, 6. But he said that he was angry that time. So, it's not needed that he didn't need 36 run in 6 balls. He was
So
frustrated and
he was angry, not frustrated, he was angry. I'll tell you the
angry. He
incident.
was angry.
Andrew Flintoff was bowling to Yuvraj Singh. And I think Yuvraj Singh
Okay.
hit him for a couple of boundaries, something like that. He hit him for 2 fours. And Andrew Flintoff told him something. As in, he told him things I can't tell you right now. So Yuvraj Singh also
Okay.
told him something back. So they had a bit of an argument, an altercation. Then Stuart Broad started bowling his over. So Stuart Broad bowled 6 balls, and all 6 balls were hit for sixes.
Yeah.
So, and after
So who
that,
is your favorite cricketer?
all time or currently,
All time.
Jack Callis.
Sorry?
Jack Callis.
Okay, I don't know him.
Jack Callis is a South African, ex-South African cricketer, all-rounder.
Okay.
He is my favorite cricketer, all-time favorite.
Okay, now your favorite team is Mumbai?
I honestly in IPL don't have any favorite team. Even though I'm from Mumbai, I don't have a
Okay.
favorite team in IPL. I if I had to pick up a team, I would pick up KKR. The only reason is because Shah Rukh Khan's team is the KKR. That's the only reason. But I don't have a favorite team in IPL in the IPL.
Okay.
Which is your favorite team? I think you don't follow, so you might not have a favorite.
Rajasthan Royals. It's
That's
just,
some guy. Because
I
you're from
don't
Rajasthan,
know.
that's why.
Yeah. I just like T20 World Cup only.
Okay. Did you see the match which we won against Pakistan last
Sorry?
year? Did you see the match last year which we won against Pakistan?
No.
India vs Pakistan T20 World Cup match. You didn't see?
After we shifted in Kathmandu, I stopped
After we moved to
watching
Kathmandu,
stopped
after we
watching cricket.
moved, not shifted,
Moved, yeah,
moved.
moved. Okay.
Okay, if we
After
get the opportunity,
moving or moved?
after we moved or after moving?
After we moved. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I think last World Cup I was very passionately was when Sachin was playing.
2011.